everyone to enjoy the show. So sit back, relax, remember our big three. What's our big three? Be responsible, be respectful, and be safe, and let's enjoy the show.
When I grow up, I'll be the second African American woman ever to earn a PhD in mathematics from Yale.
Choices we make are our own. What we do with our lives is up to us. When we are strong and confident, we are able to set our goals to be and do just about anything.
Woman and child, even Jesus got his crown in front of a crowd. They march with